just say if you want to have like some midnight snack, please get this. It's just absolutely delicious. Get this. Get purified. It's basically fried rice with shrimp. So good. Look, look. These are the instructions of how to make. Wait, what is that? So, put some mixture that comes with the bag in. Put like a small bag that comes in the bag into the rice. Then we have some water in the kettle and pour it and pour the water into that line. You see the line? That line. That one. Just before. Pour water up to there. Exactly before the silver light. I don't know how to say that. Exactly before that. There, with my fingers. And then wait 7 minutes. And oh yeah, and when you're gonna wait for the 7 minutes, pour the water in. Then you all you have to do is like close it like this. Alright? Those two pieces, this one and this one has to be aligned. So just put it up like this, and there you go. Wait 7 minutes. Open it up, and there you go. An extremely good snack. That's a little too much. Okay, an extremely good snack. So let's get it, and let's get to 10 subscribers, please. So to get 2 more subscribers, and I'll make an update. So here's this was a life hack, a good life hack of a midnight snack that you can buy. Very delicious, and follow the instructions, and there you go. Now I'm just gonna go and open this up and eat some more of it. So I will see you later. So bye bye.